Tired of leads slipping through the cracks because you keep missing key fields? Learn to create a complete lead in Pipedrive in under 2 minutes. I've seen so many sales teams lose opportunities just because they skipped a detail or two, so let's fix that right now. We'll walk through each field step by step, from contact info to close date, so you never miss a detail again. All right, start with Pipedrive open in front of you. Go ahead and find the left sidebar and click on Leads. This will take you to your Leads index page, which loads automatically. Now, look for the green plus sign that says Add Lead button in the top right corner. Click it, and you'll see the Add Lead window appear as a modal right on your screen. So here we go. The first field to tackle is the contact person field. This is critical because a lead without a contact isn't really a lead, right? Click into that field and start typing the person's name. If they already exist in your system, Pipedrive will suggest matches, which is a huge time saver. If they are new, just type the full name and hit enter. Now, if you have an email address handy, this is the perfect spot to add it. It is optional, but I strongly recommend it because that is how you will actually follow up with them later. While you are here, you can also add an organization name if they belong to a company. This is not required, but it keeps your data clean and makes searching easier down the road. Here is the really important part, the title field. Click into it. This is not just a name. It is the descriptive label for your potential deal. I always tell people to make it specific, something like website redesign for Acme Corp, rather than just new lead. It helps everyone on the team know exactly what is going on at a glance. Type that in now. Next, enter a lead value if you have a ballpark figure. This is the monetary amount you expect this deal to be worth. Even a rough estimate is better than leaving it blank because it helps with your forecasting and prioritization. After that, select a label if you need to categorize the lead. Maybe it is hot, warm, or cold, or maybe you use colors for different stages. Pick whatever fits your workflow. Now, take a look at the lead owner field. This is usually auto-assigned to you, which is great if you are the person handling this. But if you are entering a lead for a colleague, you can change it here. Just click and select the right person from the list. While we are on the topic of dates, scroll down to set an expected close date. This is optional, but I find it really useful for planning. Even if you are not sure, pick a reasonable estimate. You can always adjust it later. Then there is the source channel. Where did this lead come from? Was it your website, a referral, a trade show, or an email campaign? Select the right option here because this data is gold for understanding which marketing efforts are actually working. Okay, before we click Save, let's review all the information. Go through each field one more time. Is the contact name correct? Did you miss the email? Is the deal title descriptive enough? This double check takes 10 seconds and saves you from messy data later. Once you are satisfied, click the green Save button. Wait a moment and look at your leads inbox. You should see that new lead right there at the top of the list. That is it. You are done. And that is how you create a complete lead in Pipedrive every single time. No more missing details, no more wondering where the opportunity came from. If you found this helpful, I hope you will stick around for more. There is a lot more to Pipedrive that can make your day-to-day way smoother, and I would love to show you around.